So information can be defined as meaningfully integrated data. If we give a number, it doesn't make any sense of its own. It's just a raw data, however, if it stay this number, it starts making sense. It becomes a telephone number if we gather some data and are recording meaningfully like this on below. So these are the telephone numbers. It becomes a very useful information. The address of New York of Human Rights Watch, a non-profit non-governmental human rights organization. So from system analysis point of view, information is a sequence of symbols that be constructed to a useful message. So in talking about management information system or MIS, an information system is a system that gathers data and disseminates information with the sole purpose of providing information to its users. So meaning to say, kapag kumpleto po ang message na nakukuha ng tao, basically, this is no longer a data. It's already a useful information. So for instance, telephone number, birthday, age, address, anything that has a complete message that can be understandable by man is what you call information. The main object of information is to provide information to its user. Information systems vary according to the type of users who use the system. A management information system is an information system that evaluates, analyzes, and processes an organization's data to produce meaningful and useful information based on which the management can take right decisions to ensure future growth of the organization. So yung management information system is actually given the words we have evaluate, analyzes, and processes an organization's data to become much more meaningful or useful information. So information versus data. Data can be described as unprocessed facts and figures. Planned collected data as raw facts cannot help in decision making. However, data is the raw material that is organized, structured, and interpreted to create useful information systems. Data is defined as groups of non-random symbols in the form of text, images, voice representing quantities or voice recordings, action, and objects. So basically, yun lang yung masasabi nating data. Fragments lang siya. Hindi siya complete message. While the information, on the other hand, is interpreted data created from organized, structured, and processed data in a particular context. So information is the data that's been processed into a form that is meaningful to recipient and is of real perceived value in the current of the prospective action or decision of recipient. So as you can see, the chart here, from data, pinaprocess siya to become much more organized data, or pag lumabas na siyang biglang organized data, ang tawag sa kanya information. Information knowledge and business intelligence. So Professor Ray R. Larson of the School of Information at the University of California, Berkeley, provides an information hierarchy, which is data, the raw material of information, data organized and presented by someone, knowledge, information read, heard, or seen and understood, wisdom, distilled and integrated knowledge and understanding, o yung tinatawag nating kaalaman. Information and data collection techniques. The most popular data collection techniques include survey. A questionnaire or questionnaires is prepared to collect the data from the field. Secondary data sources or archival data. Data is collected through old records, magazines, company, website, etc. Object measures of tests. An experimental test is conducted on the subject and the data is collected. Interview. By the system analyst by following a rigid procedure and collecting the answers to set of preconceived questions through personal interviews. So, interview is also collection of data. Pag nag-interview ka ng isang tao, nakukuha mo information pag tinatanong mo siya verbally. So basically, pag sagot niya sa'yo, nakukuha mo yung kailangan mong information sa kanya. So, let's go to the next. So, here we go.